Casa Luna, a serene and beautifully crafted residence on the quiet edge of Curitiba, Brazil, designed through a collaboration between Coti Arquitetura and Nommo Arquitetos. This 167 square meter home sits where the city slowly gives way to the preserved Atlantic forest. It's a place where architecture gently embraces nature, creating a peaceful retreat just steps away from untouched greenery. Casa Luna's design begins with its relationship to the land. The architects responded to two natural slopes along the length of the lot, using these contours to define circulation and spatial hierarchy. The staircase is positioned along the narrowest side of the site, allowing the rest of the home to open toward the landscape and receive daylight with ease. On the ground floor, everyday life unfolds in a warm and inviting sequence. The living room, kitchen, and powder room are arranged to flow directly into the outdoor spaces, where a barbecue terrace, storage area, and swimming pool create an effortless transition between indoor comfort and outdoor leisure. It's a layout designed for gathering, relaxing, and weekend living. Upstairs, the atmosphere shifts to something calmer and more intimate. The bedrooms and a private family room occupy this level, offering quiet spaces that intentionally pull away from the activity below. The upper floor, rendered in a clean white volume, appears to float above the wood-clad base, creating a thoughtful contrast between solidity and lightness. Material choices play a key role in shaping the home's identity. The warm tones of natural wood anchor the lower level to its forest surroundings, while the bright, white facade on the upper floor reflects sunlight and softens the overall composition. Together, these elements create a timeless aesthetic that feels both contemporary and deeply connected to its environment. At the highest point of the house, an attic terrace opens to panoramic views of the surrounding treetops. This elevated space also accommodates service areas, freeing the main floors for living and socializing. Up here, you can feel the home's strongest connection to nature, where the horizon, sky, and forest frame a truly memorable perspective. Throughout Casa Luna, carefully placed square windows guide views outward, capturing glimpses of both the quiet street in front and the lush forest behind. These openings create a rhythm that draws natural light inside while maintaining a sense of privacy. It's a subtle but powerful design move that blurs the boundaries between the home and the landscape. Casa Luna stands as a thoughtful example of contemporary Brazilian residential architecture, simple in form, rich in experience, and deeply rooted in its surroundings. It offers a blueprint for living closer to nature without sacrificing comfort or modern refinement. For homeowners and design enthusiasts alike, Casa Luna provides fresh inspiration for creating homes that feel grounded, peaceful, and truly connected.